Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do these neon fruit nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. I'm going to be showing you both my hands in this video. So the first color we're going to start out with is Madam Glam's Empower. This is from their June collection of a bunch of neon polishes. I'll leave a link to that video down below. But I'm going to paint all of my nails with this bright neon orange. Next, we're going to go in with Light Elegance's Nice Melons. This is a orange glitter. So I'm going to paint this on all of my nails except the ring finger. On the ring finger, I'm going to do the glitter just at the cuticle area, kind of like a cuticle cuff with the glitter, because we're going to be doing something else on the rest of the nail. Next, going in with Light Elegance's Marshmallow. This is a milky white shade. I'm going to take Marshmallow and right under where I did that cuticle glitter on my ring finger, I'm going to paint the rest of the nail in this milky white. This is just going to lighten up. This is going to start our base for the fruit nail. Next, going in with Madam Glam's white gel paint, we are going to create the lines, like the slices of the orange that we're doing. So I go ahead and I split it into 6 pieces or 6 slices, and I outline the entire area, and then I round out the slices as well. And then I also add a little bit of detailing, like some veining, so that way you get that orange type of a look. Once all the detail work is done with a white gel paint and that is cured, we're going to go in with some 3D. I'm just going to use my build gel from Young Nails. So you do want some sort of a thicker, clear gel to be able to do the 3D design. So what I did is I took a really large dotting tool, I dipped it into the build gel, and then on each slice, I'm going to do one at a time, I'm going to fill in the slice with the clear gel and kind of build it up so that way you get these little bubbles over the slices. And then I do flash cure in between each one, but I just go back and forth. I dip the dotting tool in the gel, pick up a blob of gel, and then you put it down on the slice and then kind of drag it to the center a little bit, but still leaving the white spaces alone. You just want to add that clear gel inside, like where the slices are, if that makes sense. And next I'm going to top coat. I'll be using the Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And now I'm going to repeat the same thing on my other hand, but instead of doing orange, we're going to do lime. So I'll be taking Sizzling Lime from Madam Glam, again from that same neon collection. And then for my glitter, I'll be using Light Elegance's Kiwi to My Heart. And then we do the same process with the marshmallow and then the detailed lines with white gel paint and then the 3D detailing with the build gel. I will input my inspiration picture. I had seen this early on, like probably either April or May, and I saved it because I knew I was going to get a craving to do some bright neon nails, and I thought these were just so cute, and they're different because they're 3D and they're just bright and perfect for summer. I had to recreate these. I hope you guys can see the process of me adding the 3D to the fruit nail. It's kind of hard to see because it is a clear gel, but hopefully you can see it well enough to understand my process in case you guys want to do it at home. So here's how my nails came out. I love them. They're super fun. I love the added glitter to them, the 3D. This is just the perfect set of fun neon nails for the summertime. You guys have to let me know what you thought of these 3D neon fruit nails in the comments down below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!